Today we're unboxing the Victorinox Dive Pro Automatic 241996. Personally, I think the seconds hand is absolutely beautiful. It gives the watch that extra bit of character. You also get an impressive 5-year warranty from Victorinox, which gives you extra confidence in the quality. The first thing you notice is the lightweight 43mm titanium case. It's water-resistant to 300 meters, powered by an automatic Sellita SW220 movement, and comes fitted with this eye-catching orange rubber strap. And if you're interested in this watch, our summer sale is on now, so this is a great time to check it out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.